Hey y'all, come to work with me. I've planned some really big goals for myself for 2024, and I've been really focused on getting them done and accomplishing them. I started reading this book and I wanted to share a couple quotes. One of the most difficult steps you will face on your success journey is getting away from the crowd at the bottom. There are so many unsuccessful, mediocre people who have failed to realize or act on their true potential. If you constantly associate with them, your success journey will be short-lived. You must clear the deck to make room for new associates, which will complement and enhance your success efforts. Once you break away from the mediocre crowd, accept the temporary state of loneliness and prepare yourself for success. Also, 9 rules for becoming a success. Do not procrastinate. Do it now. Stand on your own 2 feet. Do not fear failure. Do not sell yourself cheaply. Develop the success habit of being goal-oriented. Visualize your goals and believe you can attain them. Plan your work and work your plan. Do not quit. Hold the vision constantly in your mind and believe that you can and will accomplish it. Know that your goal will be achieved in a timely manner. Analyze your goal. Write down each and every action that must be performed to accomplish your goal.